Yes. Yeah. Is everyone able to hear me right? Like last and final call, team. Able to hear me? Just ping me in the chat.
Yes, we can.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. So, welcome to you all for today's demo session. And this is Anusha, Tosca trainer. And I'm having 12 plus years of experience in real time. Right now, I'm working in one of the product-based company, and parallelly, I'm giving trainings in Nextati career last 4 to 5 years onwards. So far, I trained almost more than 20,000 live people because last 2020 onwards, I'm giving these trainings almost 6 years. Coming to Tosca point of view team, I have well experienced on Tosca with the different applications using a web application and desktops, APIs, DBs, and all. Okay. So coming to the training experience, I have 4 to 5 years of experience. So I'm the right person to teach you complete Tosca in detailed and in-depth knowledge. I'm just sharing complete my knowledge in these trainings. So based on this knowledge, you guys can able to get the jobs easily and you can able to handle your jobs also without any dependencies. Okay, that much of real time experience and job assistance related stuff we can provide you here. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So let us understand. Could you please quickly introduce yourself, like your name, you are from manual testing background or non-IT background? That's it, not more than that. Okay.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. I am Jyotirmay. I'm having around 4 years of experience into manual and API testing using Postman. Yeah. I'm working in Pachusaka. Yeah. That's it for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Anusha. Hi all.
I
Uh, this is Ujjwal. I'm having around 10 years of experience and all of it in manual only and basically SAP applications. So I'm looking forward to learn this Tosca because this is quite in high demand, SAP with Tosca.
yes. Thank you so much, Vijwal.
Yeah, hi all, this is Bhargav. I have 2 years of experience in non-technical, so I want to switch my career to Tosca.
Thank you, Bhargav. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi all, I'm Sujal Kumar. I have 8 year experience in both manual and automation testing, and I'm looking for Tosca, detailed learning and get the job on Tosca. I want to switch the career.
Thank you so much, Shashil. Definitely we can help you on that.
Thank you.
Team. Others, Gopal.
Yeah, hi, that is Gopala. So I have around 13 plus years of experience. IBM testing and Windows-based application testing, and I work for API projects. So currently, one of my IBM application is getting migrated to SAP, where we are going to use SAP manual and also the SAP Tosca. So I gone through some of the YouTube videos and I learned Tosca up to some extent, and I started POC on D365 and Blue as well. So the main reason why I would like to join the courses, I would like to learn the advanced topics and especially like API testing and also the SAP automation testing.
Yes, please, Sap. Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you so much. Tip, is anyone left? No, right? Okay. So I understand everyone's background. Like some people came from manual testing. Some of the people they just started career with non-IT and IT's background. Understand it? I'll continue the demo session. So today's demo session, I can give you the overview. So simply, Tim, what is Tosca? Why it is most important in the market? Okay, and what concepts the concepts which we are going to cover as part of this Tosca training. The concepts is also included here. These all concepts, what exactly we are going to teach you entire this training, and based on this concepts, how much experience you can able to handle it. Okay. So completely theoretical. Come an example, if possible. I'll give you an example on the Tosca with on-prem applications team. Got it? Okay. Let's get into the demo session. So let us understand initially what is Tricentis Tosca. But before going to Tosca, most of the people came from manual testing background. I can go with the manual basic, just a definition of the manual, not complete demo session. Okay. Here, I'm just opening one application. So I hope everyone able to see my cursor movement, right? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So see here, Tim, let us understand very simple logic here. So the Amazon application is right now live. Okay. Everyone is using. So who are working using this Amazon application? The people who knows Amazon, they are just using this. They are not came from manual background. They are not came from automation background. They are not came from completely non-IT people also. Even the 10th class persons, 10th class students also, they are using Amazon because they are not coming to this background, but still they are using. See, the main intention is here. The Amazon people is develop this application for user friendly and e-commerce, purchasing some items from the online. Okay. If everyone is using this application, the meaning of that, the developer build this application successfully, and the tester is also deliver their testing efforts 100%. Right? Now, why I'm just taking this example only? Because in real time, you can test these kind of applications only, even if it is a SAP Fiori applications or Oracle applications or Salesforce applications or web based, any kind of web based applications or desktop applications. What exactly we do? We just test the features are working as expected or not. Okay. I want to test if some people enter some text here, if they hit search button, it has to load the data from the server which is available in the iPhone. Are you guys able to see iPhone related search result here? Yes. This entire information is loaded from Amazon server. Correct. Seems this text box is working perfectly fine. Seems this text box is working perfectly fine. So this is a manual testing. This is a manual testing. The user, they sit in front of the system, they test the feature is working as expected or not. If the user wants to select one option from the drop down, yes, they are able to select one option from the drop down, and even they able to enter the respective category and then hit the enter. Seems that is working perfectly fine. This is a manual testing tip. So I hope most of the people are here which is related to manual testing. But I just want to give one definition on that. Clear all of you? What is manual testing? Clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
So my next point is here, Tim. It is a very, very important. Please be understand clearly. Okay. Tosca automation. So initially we understand manual testing. Let us assume team, the manual testing team who are working as a manual testing team for this particular Amazon, let us assume they build 200 test cases within a month. Are you getting my point? They build 200 test cases, 200 scenarios on this Amazon application, on this particular Amazon application. If they build 200 test cases, I just want to test these 200 test cases before release. I want to release this particular piece of code to client. To release this piece of code to client team, I just want to test the 200 test cases. If I test these 200 test cases manually, how much time it will take? It is a time consuming process, right? Yes or no? If you are testing these 200 test cases, hardly estimate how much time it will take. Just estimation team, I'm asking. Let us assume 3 to 5 people are working on the scenarios. They want to test these all 200 test cases. How much time they can spend here?
One day almost.
1 day or 2 days or 1 week. It depends upon
On
the
the complexity
human
of the test.
complexity. Okay,
Yeah.
I can take here the long, how long it is taking. 1 week of time they are taking. Who? Manual tester. And here we have a dependency. If there is no tester, for example, the tester is on leave due to some personal emergency, then their work is stopped. They are not able to proceed. Okay. So right now, the most of the companies are choosing automation testing instead of putting a lot of efforts in the manual. Okay. So in automation testing team, we have a lot of tools in the market. Okay, lot of tools in the market. Like Selenium is one of the automation tool, and here Tosca is one of the automation tool, and here Worksoft is another automation tool. Like this, we do have UFT is also one of the automation tool. Like this, we have a lot of automation tools. Out of all these tools, right now we just chose only Tosca. Why Tosca? Tosca is one of the most popular testing tool in the market. Most popular testing tool in the market. So the biggest advantage is here, team, no coding. No coding. You no need to learn any coding here, either Java or Python, .NET, not at all required. Okay. Why? See, Tricentis team is analyzed the market and they released one of the ultimate and powerful test automation tool to the market without coding. So the person who came from non-IT background or manual testing background or any other different backgrounds, easily they can adopt the things and they are able to continue with their work. That is the biggest advantage in Tosca team. That is the biggest advantage in Tosca. Clear? To save this time consuming process, the market it is choosing automation testing tools. They build automated script, and whenever they want, they run all the tests together in a parallelly and or CI/CD pipelines. Okay. Now, Tricentis Tosca is one of the most popular test automation tool in a market. Okay. So in this Tosca team, I can give you a version specifications onwards because I'm the person who implemented Tosca in a different versions, and even I do have experience with the different version categories also. Okay. Now, Tosca, it is belongs to a Tricentis company. The parent of this Tosca is a Tricentis company. Okay. This company is build one product. The product name is Tosca, and it is released to the market. So in the market, a lot of companies. So instead of saying like companies, all MNC companies, and product based companies also, they are just adopting this Tosca to test their applications. Okay. And here one more point, team. In this Tosca, recent days, what happens? Tricentis team is released two versions. One is Tosca on-prem application, and another one is Tosca cloud. One is on-prem and Tosca cloud. So what exactly it means? So on-prem is nothing but it is a desktop application. The same features, what are the features we have in on-prem? The same features you can see in Tosca cloud also. It is a desktop application and we required a installation. We do installation of Tosca. This is a on-prem. Let us coming to the cloud. It is a software as a service. Since this entire tool, it is available in the cloud only. Just open this one with the help of URL. Just open the URL and then continue with your project. So here team, in this training, we are discussing these two categories. One is Tosca cloud and another one is Tosca on-prem. Clear? Okay. So here, one more point. Tosca is a codeless tool. You no need to learn any coding language. No need to learn any coding language. It's completely a scriptless test automation tool. Scriptless test automation tool. And in this Tosca on-prem, Tosca cloud, these two are the categories. Right now, it is available in the market team. And nowadays, most of the people they are focusing Tosca cloud also, adopting for their project implementations. Okay. Now coming back to here, team, what type of projects we can automate? Applications. Can I say applications instead of projects? Web-based applications and desktop-based applications, APIs, database. If you want to do big data testing or big data related applications, Snowflake related applications, and mobile applications. Like this team, we do have mainframes also. We can do a testing of the mainframes using Tosca. Like this, we do have a lot of application categories. Okay. Think this one very clearly. In the market, Tosca is the one and only tool. It is supporting these many application categories. These many application categories. Once you learn Tosca, that means you are eligible to work with Tosca with any application. Tosca with web, Tosca with desktop, Tosca with API, Tosca with DB. So any project, if you get an opportunity, yes, you are able to continue with your work. Here you have a lot of chances to get the jobs team. What are the jobs? See, Tosca with SAP. So one of our team member also mentioned, I want Tosca with SAP. Yes, Tosca with SAP role you get. Tosca with Salesforce role you get. Tosca with some sort of banking application. Who are implementing banking applications or any kind of manufacturing related applications? Yes, these all are the different kind of job roles that is applicable. Got it? Any questions so far? Bhargav, Girish, Gopal?
No.
No.
No. Okay. So here these all are the project categories. So as per this training point of view team, we can discuss with you the web-based applications, SAP applications, and APIs, databases. So even the desktop. That means if you learn all these things, that means you are learned everything in a enterprise level, application level. You have an experience on it. Along with this team, the topics covered as part of this training. These all are the application categories. Next. So mode of training itself, it is a online training. And next one is here. The timings is same timings like 8 to 9 timings team. And next one is here, license team. Tosca is a paid toll. It is not a free toll. Okay, we have to pay some amount. It is a licensed toll. So we can give our licenses on 6 months of license. It is available for you. And one more category, Tosca on-prem. The applications, what Toscas you get, Tosca on-prem and Tosca cloud. These two things are not right now we are teaching in our training sessions. Along with that, coming to AI features. What are the AI features it is introduced by Tri-Scientists? I can give you a training on this like Vision AI, then Agentic AI, Copilot. Okay, so these four features we can discuss with you. So using a Copilot, what things we can do using what are the features it is added by Agentic AI? Everything we'll discuss in detail. Clear?
And classes will be on weekdays only, no?
Yes, the classes will be weekdays only. So Monday to Friday. So coming to the doubt sessions, basically we can discuss the doubts and challenges within our WhatsApp groups only. Challenges within a WhatsApp. Two communication channels we have. Every Saturday we have a class, live session. Okay, every Saturday we have a live class. If you're having any kind of doubts or challenges, you can join the live session and then share your screen, ask your questions. So as a trainer, I can clear you all of your doubts and challenges and blockers here. Instead of waiting up to Saturday, if you want to get a solution immediate basis, we have an WhatsApp channel. Within the WhatsApp channel, please make sure to add your questions. Once the batch is confirmed, the team they will add our questions. Even I am also part of this group. If you want to talk with me something related to your job or career guidance kind of thing, you can give me a WhatsApp call. This is also possible. Okay. So ultimately, team, enjoy this training session.
What about recording sessions? Will you provide recording sessions?
Very good question. I missed it. So here, team, the recordings point of view. Daily will give you a live class recordings. Once the class is completed, you will get this live class recording for the lifetime. This is a live class recording feature, team. And the next one is here, team, material. So in a material, I just prepared one document for this entire Tosca features. One document, completely document, which is having almost 300 to 350 pages of PDF files. I'll give you access to all these PDF files concept wise. Instead of sharing entire material, so once the concept is completed, I can give you access to you. Along with that, we do have an assignments daily basis assignments and real time challenges. I'll give you some scenarios on the classes. Make sure you have to practice that and come back tomorrow. And I required everyone's screenshots here to see the challenge, how many of you completed. The everything is in track only. I'll track each and every person's activities here. Getting?
Ma'am, and what about the course duration?
Yes. That is the main thing, team, here. See, daily we are taking a 1 hour of session. The course duration, it will complete up to 60 days. Completely a 60 days, daily 1 hour. So simply I can say 60 hours. So maybe more than that also it will become. Okay, I'll show you my previous batch related stuffs also. Here you can see somewhat of customizations also you can learn here, team. This is the SAP related installations and all. Tosca servers, SAP installation guide, and Tosca server setup, sample resumes. And this is the assignment sheets. I'll track each and every person's actions, how many of you completed and all. The certification program is also we have. I'll tell you how to work with the certification program and all. See. Once the person development is completed, they attach the screenshots like this. So we have a look into each screenshot. If anyone is missed or if anyone is not understand, I'll help them to clear those kind of doubts and challenges respect to category. So they attach some screenshots over here. You can see here the day, what day they just implemented, and the execution dates and times. Everything is it is available. Hmm? And next question is here, Tim. Certification program. And one more point, Tim. So nowadays, market, no one is teaching this Tosca Cloud. I just added this Tosca Cloud as a additional stuff. And Vision AI, Agentic AI, along with this, recent days, Tricentis team is introduced MCP servers as well, what exactly it is and how it help to Tricentis Tosca. So we can discuss those points also. And coming to a certification program. So this certification program is also, it is updated in a January month. Okay. So here they just group the certificates. I'll tell you here what certifications will get the badges. Two things we have. One is badges, another one is a certificate. Okay. For badges point of view, most of the cases will help you out to clear all these badges certification AS1, AS2, TDS1 and TDS2, API and AE1, Automation Engineer Level 1. So for all the certificates, you will get the badges. Okay. And we do have one more certificate, that is the product consultant certificate. So based on these badges, they'll conduct one final exam here. Here you will get the PDF certificate file. PDF certificate. Like stating like you are the advanced certified person in Tricentis Tosca. Clear? Team?
Yeah.
And here you can see this is the daily class note. Each concept it is cleared with the examples. It's not only theoretical document, it is a kind of screenshots and examples also included as part of this document, adding some kind of highlights also. So you are able to easily understand what exactly the things, and each concept related questions and answers is also added here. I'll show you some of the PDF documents. See here. The question. So each challenge, how to modify the arrays, each challenge and the challenge related screenshots and related information, it is updated here in detailed and in clarity. Got it? So this kind of entire material document you will get from my side. So you no need to bother about that. And along with that, so most of the people in outside they said like Tosca what is what, but they won't teach you like how to work with a customization of the Tosca. See, some of the things whenever you face some challenges, must we have to work with some kind of customizations. Okay, so I'll tell you how to work with the customized tables, customized drop downs. So some real time challenges, customizations also will discuss as part of this training. Clear all of you? All these points, what points we are going to discuss as per these trainings? Do you have any
Uh,
questions here?
No, ma'am. All good.
Good, right? Okay. So this is the complete thing, team. And coming to Tosca Commander. So initially, I'll start the trainings with a Tosca on-prem. I'll show you here Tosca on-prem. So on-prem is nothing but on-premises application. That means we have to do a installation of Tosca installation. I'll show you the installed file here. Just enter Tosca. Automatically, it shows us Tosca Commander. Okay, click on this Tosca commander. Here you can see the Tosca commander is loading. So that is the reason I said it is a on-prem. So most of the companies right now, the Tosca application is using Tosca commander only. Hmm. So we require license. Once license is identified, it automatically navigate to the home project. So in this Tosca team, you can see these all are the previous test cases, like all the recent projects, the projects which I created by myself. Okay. And here the project creation, open the project, close the creating of the new project, opening the existing project. So we do have these two things I can discuss with you in detail in coming classes. If you open any one of these projects right now, I'm just opening this ecom project. Okay. In this ecom project, enter your credentials here. Log into the project. Once you do log into the project, here you can see the project structure. So one more advantage in Tosca, you no need to set up the framework. Okay, maybe who are came from Selenium background, they know this framework concept. But automation point of view, team, some applications it has a framework. But in Tosca, it is an inbuilt framework. Once you create the project, automatically it create the framework structure. You no need to bother. Just understand this framework, how it is working for each application point of view. Got it? And see here the different projects you can see like totally 5 projects. As I said, right, we are going to discuss these applications as part of this training. Other than this, if you want any other applications also, we do discuss that. And this is a complete framework team. Data integrity testing, execution section, issues, modules, reporting, requirements, test case design, test cases, test planning. All these sections it add by default once you create the project. Okay, what are all those sections? Tosca is providing a platform. Tosca is providing a platform to automate Tosca automation and Tosca management or test management activities. So, are you guys, do you have any idea what are the test management tools we use in real time? Tell me. Jira is one of the test management tool. Mm.
ANM.
HPLM, Azure DevOps, right?
TFS.
So TFS, we have a lot. Okay. So even Tosca also we have a possibility to maintain this test management with the help of these sections. One is requirement section, issue section, and a test planning. These 3 options it is given by Tricentis company, but in real time no one is using these options. No one is using these options in real time. Why I'll tell you. So the Tosca is only for automation purpose, not for the management purpose. Are you getting my point? And this is one of the desktop application. Okay. So it is not easy to give access to the all the management higher levels. That is not possible. That is the reason these sections we cannot work in real time. Is my point clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So then automation point of view, what sections we do work? Okay. In Tosca point of view, please be focused with the terminologies. I can teach you in detail one by one. You no need to worry for that. One is module sections, test case section to build the test cases, and execution section. And here, Tim, these 3 are the sections. If you get a chance to work any kind of project, either web or SAP or API or database, whatever it is, everything you can work these 3 sections. Every project you work with these 3 sections. That is a very important. So if you understand these 3 sections in depth, then you are eligible to work any kind of project. Any kind of project. The one and only thing is this is the core concepts in a Tosca. These are the core concepts in Tosca. Okay. And another terms team, data driven framework. What is this data driven framework? We just use different combinations of data preparation. So I can say simply a dynamic data. For SAP projects, we do have completely a dynamic data. Some of the web applications also, most of the cases we use the dynamic data. What data we are using to test? What it means? What exactly the data team? Okay, let me tell you an example here with example. Let us take an example of this Amazon search. This Amazon search. So here I'm just passing some data, right? iPhone. So what is this iPhone? It is a data, input data. So if you're passing any other thing, laptop, it is a kind of input data. So what type of data or text we are just entering to test this search box? So this is a kind of data. So we just maintain this search input data and the user IDs, passwords related data, everything into one particular location. So that kind of thing we call it as a data driven framework. As a simple, I can say to test one particular scenario with the different combinations of data. That is comes under data driven framework. For this data driven, Tricentis team is giving a lot of possibilities to us. What are those possibilities? One thing, you can create this data within test case design. That means within Tosca commander itself. Another one is Tosca cloud. That means Tosca server. I can say this is a Tosca server. Last one is Excel file. Okay, I'll show you this Tosca server and all team. Just open here. This is Tosca server, localhost monitor. So here you can see this is the Tosca server. Here you can see the data management. Just go to the data management. And once you go to a data management, here you can see the number of repositories. If you open any one of these repositories, you can see the data. They're just maintaining data. Once they maintain the data, they map this particular data to the test cases. The mapping is possible. That is nothing but data driven framework. So here, as part of this training, I can teach you completely end-to-end details related to test automation and data driven frameworks. Clear? So very simple team. If you understand this tool, what are the tool I just opened in front of you? If you understand this tool, that is pretty much enough to work in Tosca. Okay. How to create the modules, how to build the test cases, and what are the, do we require any coding? Not required. There is no coding here. Simply you can interact with this UI to test the applications. That's it. Clear? Let me open another project to show you on a test case example. So right now it is a multi-user environment team. So in this environment, you can see these all are the test cases. It's already built the test cases. Let me maximize this window. So is everyone able to see any coding over here? Team? There is no coding. Able to see? Yes? Yes. So even if we came from non-IT backgrounds or manual testing backgrounds, so what are the comfortable zone you have right now? The same comfortable zone you can expect in a Tosca automation role with the high packages team. Okay. That is the biggest thing. The most of the people they want to transition their career as a manual tester to automation tester as a Tosca or non-IT to Tosca automation tester. This is the very best platform to you all to migrate. Okay. Any questions, team, so far? All of you.
No, Anusha.
So clear, everyone, what things we are going to discuss as part of this training and
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
The application categories, the mode of training, and how much duration it is, what AI features we can go discuss as part of this training, and regular class timings. Everything is clear, right? Okay. I'll show you one simple example. Same Amazon search only. I'll just create one module and I'll enter some data here. Then click on the search button. Okay. I can show you this example. Let's go to your module section. So module is the main platform team. It hold the technical information. Okay, let's make it a separate window. This is the Amazon related all modules. Let me do checkout. So initial I'm explaining very simple example to you all. Just be focused here. Scan and application. So it is a scanning team. So the thing is, if you in Tosca point of view, everything it is itself it is a scanning mechanism. Everything it is a scanning mechanism. Within this Tosca, you no need to write any CSS path or any kind of X path. All this stuff is not at all required. Not at all required. Very simple thing. Just simply open the application URL in your browser and then scan this application. Just refresh this window. This is your Amazon URL. Just click on scan. Select and then scan. That's it. Yes. So see here, Tim, the entire element structure is loaded. This is the complete HTML DOM structure. You can see all the controls. What are the controls? It is visible in the screen. Each and every control is loaded to the scanning window. Our job is here very simple. Just coming to the respect to control, click on this checkbox. Once you select this checkbox, you can see the bottom of the screen. It is showing the selected item is unique. Okay. So in automation, making each element as a unique, that is very important thing. Team. That is very important thing. So here I just selected drop down. I just selected search box. So if you want to know is this drop down is our selection one? Yes. Here you can see highlight on selection option. Click on this one. It will highlight in the application. Team. So it is taking some time. Are you able to see the highlightation is happened? This is the text box. The text box is highlighted. Everyone able to see that?
Yes.
Yes. Once it is selected, just simply save this module. So the module is saved here. Just close this scanning window. That's it. So it is waiting for the scanning result. It's been already created. You can see it in this is the module right now we just created. I can show you here. Just wait. The Tosca is loading right now. So very simple way, just create the module and then drag and drop that module into a test case section level, then do the development. That's it. Right now I created one module, right? Let me create one test case. Okay. Right click, check out. Now coming here again to right click, create new test case. make it as a Amazon search. I'm just making into a separate window. In this Amazon search team, the first action is here. We have to drag and drop the open URL. So the first step is for each and every application, opening of the application. To open application, already we have a predefined standard module. Just drag and drop this open URL module to your test case. This is your test case and exactly come your test case level and then drop the cursor. Now open URL is added. Just simply enter the application URL, copy this URL, come back, paste here. Now we are just done with the one particular step, passing the application URL. The next step is here, team. Drag and drop the module. Once we open the URL, what actions we can do? We just want to select the type of the search criteria. I'm just using type of search criteria as electronics. You can see entire search result is added. The drop down list item, it is added automatically. The entire list is added. So here, once the list is added, simply select the option from the drop down. Electronics is my search and enter within the electronics which option you want. I want the Dell laptops. Once you enter the Dell laptop, simply use here enter key. Automatically it enter the key in our keyboard. That's it. So are you able to see any kind of challenges over here? No, right? So next, once you enter this details, my last action is here, close the browser. Very simple flow I'm just telling right now. So just drag and drop, not much. Online shopping, just use here online and then asterisk. That means shopping cart. Online shopping here. Later run this script team. So try to run the scenario. I'm just adding the browser category here, which browser it has to take at runtime. For that, we can define one browser parameter. Then use here Chrome browser. Come back to the details tab. Now right click on here, run in Scratchbook. So see, Scratchbook is nothing but debugging mode. We are just testing the scenario. Is it working as expected or not? Able to see the application URL is open. Then it select the electronics and Dell laptops. Everything is entered successfully. Are you guys able to see that?
Yes.
What is automation? The human interaction is not required. Basically, what are the actions we do in application? We are just instructing the same actions in automation tool. Instead of working for ourselves, we are just asking automation tool to execute all these steps step by step. This is what automation. You no need to do it manually. Just define that particular flow in the automation tool. Then tool will take care to run all the scenarios together step by step flow. Once it is done, team running the scenario, if you want to take a screenshot, yes, that is possible. We have a tbox take screenshot module. Just add the screenshot option to the test case. Once it is entered the data, it will capture the screenshot. Okay. If you want, you can enter the name of the screenshot also, Amazon. That's it. Let me run this scenario in an execution list. Why execution list? Execution list, it hold the technical data. It will save the data. How many times you executed this test case and what is the status of the test case and where you modified. Everything you can see in this log data level. Search, which is search? It is a Amazon search. Okay. Now select this last one, do a run. This is the final run. Whenever your test lead or test manager is asking what is your execution report, you can say I just executed. You can share this report to them directly. See, executed successfully. This is the log data. What time, what date we executed. You can see all the step-by-step info. I just added screenshot, right? The screenshot is also captured successfully. But here we have some drawback. So we are not seeing this Dell laptop search criteria because it is taking some time to load the page. You can see the page is still loading. I'll do one thing. I'll just add some wait time over here. To add a wait time also, we have a standard model. See, in Tosca, they are doing half of the work behalf of us. Okay, they are doing half of the work. So they are not giving a much time to us to create a module and all. What are they predefined? It is already exist. Reuse that and run it. Let's do a run again. Synchronize, right click and run. That's it. I'm just running one more time, team. Yes. See, once it is entered Dell laptops, the title is changed here. What is the title here? Amazon Dell laptops, correct? In a closed browser, it is having an issue, team. The issue is here within our test case level, we just entered online, but basically here it is a Amazon star. Tosca execute the scenarios very fastly, team. I'm just running one more final run. Right click and run. Yes, it is executed successfully now. You can see right now same test case I executed 3 times. Each time you can see log is saved. This is the one time, second time, and this is the third time. And even you can see the execution status also. First time it is passed, second time it is failed, third time it is passed. But you can see the status of this log info, the recent execution only. Once you're done with execution team, simply you can export the report. You can see here the print report option. Print the report. We have one more feature in Tosca to print the customized report as per the client specification. You can pick any one of these formats to export the report. I'm just clicking on start. I'll show you how it looks like. So it is executed team. This is the report. You can see execution test report and the summary of the test report and what are the steps it is executed and executed by whom, and a screenshot is also attached here. Clear? And in the screenshot you can see Dell's laptops 1 out of 24 over 1000 results. Clear? So in real time, very simple. We just open the application, we build the test case, and then we run it. That's it. So whenever we have some regression cycles, we run all the test cases together. You no need to run manually. Just trigger to the pipeline, CI/CD pipeline. It will take care of your job. It run all the scenarios. Later we can take the report and see the result analysis. If anything is failed or passed, what exactly the status of it. Very simple thing. Understand? This is the basic flow I'm just explained today. Okay, no need to worry. Tomorrow onwards, I'll give you complete in detailed information related to this particular training. Okay, how to create the project, which project is recommended, how the team is working together in real time, what approaches they are following. Everything I can discuss tomorrow onwards. Any questions, team, so far?
No, no, sure.
Is it clear, all of you? So your understanding is very important to me. So please confirm me once. So I hope everyone clear with this Tosca development and execution flow, right?
Yes.
What about Jyoti, Suhil,
Yes, ma'am.
Sushil? Okay. Okay,
Yeah, I'm
okay.
good.
So guys, once it is done, I'll share these recording videos with you. Just go through recording video one more time. If you come across any kind of challenges or issues, let me know. Okay, clear?
Sure.
That's it. That's it, team. So that's it for today's session. We can connect tomorrow, same time. Thanks to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, team. Bye bye.